Papu, what happened? What's going on?
Well, come on, I'm not sure. I've been making these sounds and I'm thirsty. He's thirsty. He has the hiccups.
I'm thirsty too.
All this due to the dryness of this forest. Well, this is play of Krishna.
No one should be blaming Krishna. I will arrange for you guys to drink something.
Super, Kamani. Well, Kamani, it seems like you've learned some magic too.
Our Kamani's sister is always superb. Krishna, why aren't you drinking it?
I am drinking it.
Krishna, do you not like it?
No, Kamani, it's not that. It's just when comparing it to buttermilk, then this one is not so good after all.
Buttermilk? I love buttermilk so much. Oh, I love it. Tell us more.
Yes, please.
Yeah, tell me, Krishna.
No, folks, you people scolding me to bring you to this place. We will have lots of struggle for that, so no need for it. Just leave it alone. Just forget it.
No, Krishna. My dear Kamani loves buttermilk. And if struggles arrive, no problem. We will face them and get the buttermilk for Kamani. Oh.
Yeah, we can do it. Yeah.
Well, I have the same plan.
What a sweet smell. Calm down. First, Kamani has to go ask about it. She can go ask. It doesn't matter who goes. All that matters is that we get the buttermilk. Huh?
Hurry up, Kamani. I will wait here with everybody else.
Grandma, are you Shinma?
Yes, who are these people? Why are you people here?
Hi, Grandma. We heard that you have very special buttermilk. That's why we're here. We feel very thirsty right now. So could you please give us some buttermilk? We could pay for that. It's fine.
Yes, Grandma. I only want 10 glasses of buttermilk. That's all. Money? You don't need to pay me. But please tell me the reason for all of this. Sorry, but no.
Grandma, we came all the way with hope that you would give us just a little bit. We came from far away. Just tell us why not.
My dear children, I'm stuck in huge trouble. A demon jailed me here. He comes daily and drinks all the buttermilk in the mug. And he intimidates me too, not to give any buttermilk to others. So I can't and I won't give any buttermilk. Oh, okay, we will do one thing. You people go and hide behind the tree. I will bring the sweet buttermilk and give it to you. You drink it without others noticing it, and then you will go to your place. Deal?
Kana, we have to help this old lady. She's innocent. This isn't fair. We have to do something.
Don't worry, Kamani. We're going to do something about this and save Grandma from this trouble. I am not going to be part of it. We came here to get some buttermilk, drink it, and move on. Otherwise, you people blame me for all your troubles and struggles.
Krishna, you started the divine plan. Krishna, please don't be like this. Don't say that.
What a tasty buttermilk. Grandma, you are so wonderful. All I can say is yay!
Yay! Honestly, Grandma, we've never had such tasty, sweet, perfect buttermilk. Huh?
Oh, leave here immediately. The demon has come. Leave fast. Hurry.
Chitti! Come on in! Chitti!
I am not going to be part of it.
Chitti Chitti, Super Chitti, Chitti Chitti,
Chitti, Chitti, Super Chitti, Chitti, Chitti. Hey, demon! Leave our Kamani alone!
Today you people are the pickle for my buttermilk.
Chitti, you got him!
Hey, demon, leave the children alone. I will give you buttermilk throughout my whole lifetime. Please leave the children alone.
Grandma, don't panic. Aunt Chitti now has become Super Chitti. He will definitely save you and Kamani from the devil. Watch and see.
Krishna, do something. Krishna.
Chitti, Super Chitti, hey, Chitti Chitti, Super Chitti, Chitti Chitti, Super Chitti, hey, 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 hey.
Oh, was this small cat the big demon?
Yes, I was that giant demon.
Wow, it seems like a miracle. So you were the one who drank the buttermilk daily?
I'm a wildcat. I had drunk the milk of a saint. He cursed me like this. Today, though, Chitti saved me. With the help of our Krishna, I have liberation from the curse. Thank you, Chitti. Now I'm happy.
Krishna, was all of this your play? How was any of this my play? The day has ended very nicely. Tomorrow I will come up with another play or drama.
Again? Oh my god. Hey, small cat, stop right there. I'm gonna catch you. I'm gonna chase you, cat. Look, the rat's over there.
Hey, Papu. Everybody knows you're a brave guy.
Krishna, I am so grateful. You saved me. I thank you. Your grace is so much.